You're back. I knew you couldn't resist my box.
You know it.
Immediately enveloped in a symphony of aromas as you catch sight of the golden brown perfection. Strips, glistening, pulling you back into its unevadable allure. Your anticipation heightens. In moments, you'll be sinking your teeth into tender, juicy flesh. The mere thought sends your senses into a frenzy, imagining the burst of flavor that awaits your guts. Golden brown skin beckons, promising satisfaction with every bite. Begging, waiting for you to savor its juicy flesh. Come and get it.
And obviously, you already know we're going to be washing that down with some Jameson. Black Barrel. Let's go.
Hey.
Oh, let's go. Let's get into it. Brothers, freaking Pizza Hut chicken strips.
Roll that
Woo!
juicy,
You
bro.
know.
Got to ruin that
If this
shit
is your
back.
first time watching one of our videos,
Bro.
we try to have like takeout from a different restaurant each week.
Yeah.
But bro, we had the Pizza Hut chicken strips recently. Oh, that shit was fucking
slap,
majestic,
bro.
bro. So you already know. We had to run it back.
Run that shit. Run that bitch back.
Oh my god. We had to run it back, bro. Well, not exactly though. So last time we got the plain chicken strips with the barbecue sauce. And now we got the suya chicken strips. You all don't know what suya is.
God.
In Nigeria, suya is basically like barbecue beef, like a special kind of like barbecue beef sauce. Today
Get
we got
into
the
that
suya
bro.
chicken strips.
Oh my God.
Bro, I can't wait to get into this shit.
Facts. Let's go.
If
Facts.
you might don't understand why we're so excited,
Go
check
watch
out
the episode.
the Pizza Hut chicken strips episode up on the channel. Boy!
Oh my
God. Amazing.
Amazing.
I mean, the best, the highest rated food we've ever had.
Facts.
Sure.
Facts,
Bro.
bro.
Let's
Brother.
get into this shit.
Let's
Oh
get
my
into
God.
this
Oh my
shit.
God.
I actually can't
Bro.
wait.
It's
Take off my sheets for
Fuck.
this,
That
bro.
looks
Jesus.
fucking amazing.
Amazing, bro.
Right.
Oh my God. Look at this. Get a bite of that bitch. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. Wow.
Oh my God.
Oh my days.
Jesus.
Oh God. Man's in tears. He's in tears.
Oh God. Someone needs to walk into Pizza Hut.
Oh my God.
Give them their fucking flowers
Back.
on this shit, okay?
Facts, bro.
My God.
Oh my God.
Man's was
Oh
like,
my God.
oh my God, bro.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, bro. Brother, I'm sorry. Let's just call it here, man.
Facts.
Let's just call it here.
It's busting.
Oh
Bro.
my Lord.
It's busting.
My
Lord.
My Lord.
My
Lord.
Oh Jesus.
Oh
Wow.
God. Wow. Let's just call it here, man. There's no point. There's no point in trying to get
No point.
a few more bites in.
Oh my God.
Let's call it.
Fucking amazing.
Fuck's sake.
My days. Wow.
Fuck me.
Pizza Hut.
Jesus.
Know what the fuck they're doing. Jesus.
It might take quite a bit for us to get into this show.
Facts. Bro, the boys are eating.
All right, guys. So our first topic for today, freaking Super Bowl, bro.
Usher Bowl.
Super Bowl.
Usher Bowl.
Freaking Usher. Halftime show. Crazy. Internet went
Nuts.
nuts. Bro, internet went
No.
nuts.